Now in our kitchen, when I redid it, I did away with our gas range and I got a gas cooktop. This was my initial drawing right here where I decided how I wanted it to set and how I was going to have storage under it. And there's what it looks like when it was completed, with the pots and pans under it in those special wire shelves and the cooktop above it. But that meant that under it there was a lot of space that was unused and it would just end up collecting dust bunnies. So I decided to build a floor level rolling shelf. This is the shelf after it was put together. It was put together with glue and pocket screws. The sides are 1/2 inch, the back is 1/2 inch, the bottom is 3/4 inch because I needed strength for that wide distance. I didn't want it to sag. And you can see that it slides back under the cooktop and the shelves and it's out of the way. Now, how did we get it to slide back and forth? We bought these soft touch appliance rollers. We've used them in the kitchen on numerous other projects and they just work. So on each end, we screwed them to the bottom of the shelf, as you can see here. And there it is tipped up. You can see I got one on each end. That's all you need. So after that, it was just a matter of priming it and then painting it. And then we needed a way to pull it in and out, so we made a little leatherette strap handle. And since we were going to put a bunch of stuff under it and it was going to be back, we didn't want to pull it out every single time. So I came up with this. I just took a scrap piece of 1/2 inch plywood and set it on the shelf. And then you can set your cases of soft drink. And as you pull one out, they roll forward. And that works out very, very well. Now, even with all that weight on this shelf, because of the appliance rollers and this little handle, it makes it very easy to get to the back of that rolling shelf. Yes, it makes some noise when you roll it. You got to deal with it.